Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Stealth Pivot. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to the PC. Turtle Stealth Pivot has two methods of connection. Firstly, you can connect it wirelessly via this 2.4 GHz dongle. Simply connect this dongle to your PC and then turn controller on. Secondly, you can connect it via USB cable directly. Thanks to connection via USB cable, your controller can charge. Once the controller is turned on, the connection will establish automatically. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.